In 2025, cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing tactical military gear, offering smarter, more efficient solutions for defense and survival. From advanced wearable tech to multi-purpose gadgets designed for extreme conditions, these tools combine innovation, durability, and practicality. Whether you're in the field, on a mission, or preparing for emergencies, these 20 must-have gadgets enhance safety, communication, and performance like never before. Join us as we explore the ultimate gear that redefines what it means to stay mission-ready in the modern age. Let's dive in. Every adventurer needs outerwear that seamlessly blends durability, utility, and style to handle any environment. Introducing the TAFTAC DarkHeat Tactical Jacket. Crafted with cutting-edge DarkHeat tech and 4-way stretch waterproof fabric for year-round wear. This jacket combines performance and elegance, featuring 14 utility pockets to replace your daily bag and a hidden compartment spacious enough for a laptop or travel essentials. Its unique magnetic direct access unit ensures quick access to large items like tablets while keeping smaller items neatly organized. The DarkHeat fabric excels with 20K water resistance, 10K breathability, and thermoreactive properties, making it suitable for blizzards, windy summer days, and everything in between. With boundaryless movement, sleek silhouettes for men and women, and a magnetic detachable hoodie, this jacket redefines tactical versatility. In emergencies, having critical survival knowledge at hand can make all the difference. The TECHNOIR Tactical Survival Drink Coaster is more than just a drink mat. It's a compact survival guide. Made from 100% wood pulp, these slow-burning coasters double as practical resources packed with essential skills like CPR steps, severe bleeding management, SOS signals, and SEER survival, evasion, resistance, and escape tactics. With a stealth mode flip side for discreet use, it's perfect for survivalists and curious learners alike. These coasters turn any gathering into an opportunity to drink, learn, and survive, equipping you with life-saving knowledge while sparking meaningful conversations. A stylish and functional tool for the prepared warrior. Carrying your essentials in a reliable, durable, and organized way is crucial for modern life. Meet the SubTech Tactical Backpack, a versatile solution built for daily commutes, city living, and travel. Crafted with extremely durable materials, it features aircraft-grade Cobra buckles and splash-proof zippers for unmatched resilience. The backpack's ergonomic fit and hydration system ensure comfort, even when carrying heavy loads. Its SmartPack system, laptop sleeve, and MOLLE webbing provide excellent organization and adaptability. Approved as a carry-on, it's perfect for business use or travel. Additional features like a thermos bottle holder, dry case, and carabiner make it customizable for your needs. Combining waterproof protection, premium quality, and thoughtful design, this backpack is ready to elevate your everyday adventures. In challenging environments, a reliable and powerful light source is essential for safety and functionality. The SPERAS U2T Ultimate Flashlight combines unmatched performance and compact design. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, it houses 3 luminous SST40 LEDs, producing an astonishing 5,000 lumens with a 340-meter beam distance. Its multi-level tactical switching and wireless control offer seamless operation, while its waterproof construction ensures durability in all conditions. Powered by a robust 6,400 mAh battery, it features USB-C fast charging and doubles as a power bank for added utility. Ideal for outdoor adventures, tactical scenarios, or as a bike light, the U2T is compact yet mighty, delivering exceptional performance wherever life takes you. In unpredictable environments, a reliable blend of style and protection is a must for anyone on the go. The TECHNOIR Ballistic Scarf redefines functionality with its cutting-edge design. Combining the softness with the strength of ballistic-grade material, this scarf is 5x stronger than steel, yet weighs only 5 ounces. Its fireproof and breathable fabric shields against sun, dust storms, pollution, or smog, while ensuring comfort in chilly airports, airplanes, or restaurants. It is fashionable in slimming tactical black and complements any outfit while providing hidden protection. Ideal for EDC enthusiasts, motorcyclists, hikers, soldiers, or travelers, this scarf is the ultimate multi-tool, blending urban design with unparalleled durability for style-conscious adventurers. In demanding environments, you need a watch that keeps up with your adventures without compromise. Meet the Smith & Bradley Ambush Watch, a tactical digital analog timepiece built for the field. Featuring a robust Swiss movement, it delivers unparalleled accuracy with multi-time zone capabilities, an alarm, and a chronometer. Its rugged design ensures durability, while the reverse LED technology provides complete illumination for low-light settings. Affordable yet crafted with superior components, the Ambush blends digital precision with analog simplicity, making it a reliable companion for any adventure, a perfect fusion of rugged performance and everyday wearability. In today's world, feeling secure while staying active is a necessity for every woman. The Mace booby trap bras revolutionize safety and convenience as the world's first sports bras with built-in pockets for self-defense accessories, tactical devices, and everyday essentials. Designed with ultra-soft, hand-picked fabrics, this US-made bra ensures unparalleled comfort and support, becoming a go-to favorite for active women. Whether carrying keys, cash, an ID, or safety tools, the discreet pocket keeps your essentials secure and easily accessible during workouts or daily activities. Encouraging freedom and peace of mind, the just-in-case bra blends functionality with style, reminding women to prioritize their safety while embracing an active lifestyle. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and stay active. In a fast-paced world, having reliable and adaptable tools to stay powered and prepared is essential. Introducing the TECHNOIR PROTEY Power Tool, a groundbreaking urban utility device crafted with cutting-edge materials like carbon and aerospace-grade aluminum for durability and longevity. Each component is independently replaceable at home, ensuring effortless maintenance. Its innovative design includes a car cigarette lighter socket for swift connector changes, expanding its versatility. Future accessory expansions promise even more utility. Beyond functionality, the power tool features customizable casing parts for personalized design. Rigorously tested to maximize battery lifespan, this power bank combines practicality with modern aesthetics, empowering you to stay charged and ready, whether in the city or during life's challenges. Riders and professionals exposed to harsh environments need innovative solutions to protect their health and enhance safety. The GILZ's Aviator helmet kit is a groundbreaking add-on designed to fit any full-face helmet, offering unparalleled protection and comfort. Engineered to address harmful exposure, it uses NAOS-approved filters to achieve over 95% efficiency in filtering particulates, ensuring clean airflow. The kit also meets DOT impact attenuation standards, providing robust safety for motorcyclists, wildland firefighters, and military personnel alike. This universal system delivers continuous airflow through a knife-edge seal, addressing issues like defogging, air quality, and cooling. Perfectly blending functionality with adaptability, this helmet kit is an essential upgrade for those who prioritize safety, performance, and health in challenging environments. Knee protection is crucial for anyone involved in physically demanding tasks to prevent discomfort and injury. Meet the REXBETI knee pads, designed for maximum comfort and durability during tough work activities. Featuring a heavy-duty PVC shell, these knee pads protect against sharp objects like nails and glass shards. Equipped with extra-thick gel and high-density foam cushioning, they provide excellent comfort and support, reducing knee pressure during long hours of work. The waterproof shell ensures durability in various environments, while the strong hook and loop straps, along with the thigh support design, non-slip fit. Ideal for construction, welding, gardening, and cleaning, these knee pads offer reliable protection for men and women, making them an essential tool for any demanding job. Protecting your feet with durable and comfortable footwear is essential for anyone working in demanding environments. The XPETI waterproof tactical boots are built for performance and protection in harsh conditions. With a durable leather and abrasion-resistant fabric upper, these boots feature a Dry-X military-class membrane that ensures your feet stay dry and comfortable. The moisture-wicking mesh lining and padded tongue and collar offer added breathability and comfort. Protective welding TPU quarter overlays and a reinforced toe cap shield against impact, while the compression-molded EVA midsole provides cushioning and dynamic arch support. Designed for stability, the TPU sole stabilizing technology and lightweight nylon arch shank deliver flexible support. The aggressive rubber outsole provides superior traction, making these boots perfect for tactical, outdoor, and everyday use. Protecting your hands while maintaining flexibility and comfort is essential in high-performance activities. Meet the KEMIMOTO tactical gloves, designed to offer optimal protection and versatility for various outdoor and tactical activities. Made from durable microfiber, these gloves feature impact-resistant padding and hard shell protection to safeguard your hands from abrasions, impacts, and sharp objects. The 3-finger touchscreen capability ensures you can use devices without removing the gloves. With double-stitched seams and reinforced synthetic leather palm padding, they offer durability and a secure grip. The glove's breathable design includes rubber ventilation holes to keep your hands cool and dry. Perfect for motorcycle riding, cycling, airsoft, paintball, hunting, hiking, and more. These gloves offer reliable protection and comfort in any environment. Having a versatile and functional bag is crucial for staying organized and prepared in both urban and outdoor environments. The Ashena Tactical City Pack blends military-inspired design with modern functionality for an all-purpose backpack suited for both city life and outdoor adventures. This pack features a 17-inch laptop compartment, a padded iPad pocket, and space for a hydration bladder, offering excellent organization and accessibility. Equipped with MOLLE webbing, it allows for customizable expansion with various tactical pouches. Additional features include a side pocket for a tumbler or umbrella, a quick-access top pocket, and durable materials like nylon webbing, neoprene, and genuine leather. Whether for travel, work, or outdoor activities, the Tactical City Pack is the ultimate in convenience, comfort, and style. Having a reliable and durable knife is essential for tactical, survival, and outdoor activities. Introducing the SZCO Tactical Saw Back Knife, a robust military-style knife designed for tough conditions. Featuring a sawback blade made of high-quality 440 stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability, edge retention, and resistance to rust and corrosion. This versatile knife is perfect for various tasks such as sawing, piercing, slicing, and cutting, making it an ideal tool for tactical, survival, or hunting situations. The heavy-duty sheath ensures safe and easy carrying, while its premium craftsmanship guarantees long-lasting performance for any outdoor adventure or emergency. Staying hydrated during workouts and daily activities is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Meet the YOUCAN PLATO water bottle, a practical and durable solution for hydration on the go. This large-capacity 74-ounce bottle features a sleek sleeve that provides heat preservation and convenient storage for your phone or essentials. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, it ensures safe and non-toxic hydration. The ergonomic handle and shoulder strap allow for easy portability, while the dust-proof, leak-proof lid ensures a clean and hygienic drinking experience. With a built-in straw and a convenient brush for regular cleaning, this water bottle is perfect for workouts, gym sessions, or outdoor activities. Stay hydrated and hands-free with this all-in-one bottle. Carrying your daily essentials with style and versatility is essential for staying organized and prepared throughout the week. Introducing the Artnamic Versa Bag, a unisex, handmade bag crafted from high-quality camel leather and silk thread. Its sturdy design features a leather lining, beeswax coating, and durable hand stitching, ensuring both beauty and longevity. This bag effortlessly transforms from a workday companion, holding your essentials, lunch, and gym gear, to a weekend bag for casual outings. The adaptable attachments, including a bike attachment, enhance its versatility for various uses. Finished with metal locks and hardware, the Artnamic Versa Bag offers a timeless, practical solution for modern living, blending craftsmanship with functionality. Ensuring safety and convenience while commuting is essential for every rider, especially in urban environments. Introducing the FEND Super Foldable Bike Helmet, a revolutionary ultra-compact helmet designed for riders who value both convenience and safety. Its patented lock system allows the helmet to fold down by 50%, making it easy to store in a bag, saving space for those on the go. Equipped with ultra-bright front and tail lights, it provides 360-degree visibility, ensuring you're seen from all angles, even in low-light conditions. The waterproof design, 12 ventilation openings, and integrated fit adjuster add to its comfort and functionality. Certified for bikes, scooters, and skateboards, the FEND Super is the ideal safety solution for modern riders seeking affordability, convenience, and high performance. When working in cold and challenging environments, protective gloves are essential for safety and comfort. Meet the VGO synthetic leather gloves, designed to withstand extreme conditions, providing cold-proof, waterproof, and windproof protection down to -20 degrees Celsius. Featuring a synthetic leather palm for durability and an ergonomic design, these gloves offer high dexterity for tasks like construction, logistics, and landscaping. The touchscreen-compatible fingertips allow easy device use without removing the gloves. With their abrasion-resistant palm and 360-degree waterproof inserts, these gloves ensure your hands stay dry and protected in harsh weather. Available in multiple colors, they're perfect for any cold weather work or DIY project. For those who demand both functionality and elegance in their timepieces, a watch that can withstand extreme conditions while looking stylish is essential. The Mondragón Angel Falls watch is crafted for sports enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers, combining Swiss and Japanese technology to deliver unparalleled precision and craftsmanship. Designed with extreme sports in mind, this watch features a durable carbon fiber case and high-quality leather straps. It boasts an automatic movement and is water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it suitable for the most rigorous conditions. The anti-scratch polished ceramic bezel adds to its resilience, while the versatility of 4 interchangeable straps allows it to seamlessly adapt to any occasion. This timepiece offers modern technology, reliability, and style for those who live on the edge. In today's fast-paced world, business professionals need the right tools to perform at their best and leave a lasting impact. The Allegory's visionary portfolio is designed for business superheroes, combining technology, storage, and the timeless appeal of pen and paper. Crafted from high-quality full-grain leather, it offers unmatched durability and a minimalist aesthetic, inspired by history's great visionaries. The collection includes 3 models: the Ford, the Walker, and the Rockefeller, each offering different features and sizes for various needs. These portfolios come with sleek, multi-purpose pockets, a tech sleeve, and durable bull denim lining for optimal organization. With a blend of modern craftsmanship and old-world techniques, these portfolios are made to last, ensuring your business essentials are always within reach.